as you know, it is an international language testing system powered by IDP to access the level of students. My name is Deepak and I am taking the speaking of candidate Jasprit Kaur. Okay, Jasprit, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Jasprit Kaur and I'm recently completing my senior secondary examination with 90% marks, and now I want to go abroad for my further studies.
Okay. What is your full name?
Well, my full name is Jasprit Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can call me by my first name, Jasprit.
Okay. Okay, Jasprit, do you like your name?
Yes, of course, I like my name very much because my name is given by my mother on my birth.
Okay. Who named you?
My mother named me when I was born, and I liked my name very much.
Okay. In future, if you would get a chance, would you like to change your name?
Well, not because my name is my identity and people know me by name, and so I don't want to change my name, and the personal reason is that I liked it very much.
Okay. Do you think people should change their names after a particular period of time?
Yes, of course. As in the present scenario, people are changing their name because few people have problem to have a common name with each other, and they want to have a unique name that no one can have.
Now let's talk about hats. Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, of course. On some whenever I want to go on beaches, I like to wear caps because these help because caps help me to protect myself from sunshine.
What kind of hats do you like to wear?
Well, I like to wear simple hats because I do not like very trendy as well as fancy caps. So whenever I get a chance, I wear simple hats.
Okay. Where do you like to buy hats from?
Well, if I talk about, I always purchase hats from my local shop, and this is quite 20 to 30 far kilometers from my home.
Okay. Is wearing hats a popular activity in your country?
Well, not because in my country there are a lot of people who belong to Sikh religion. So in my country people are not wearing hats, but on some part of my country people are wearing hats. It's very common.
Okay. In future, if you get a chance, would you like to gift a hat to someone?
Yes, of course. One of my best friends love to wear hats. So if I get a chance in future, I definitely gift a hat to my friend.
Okay. Do you think a hat is the best gift you can give to someone?
Well, honestly speaking, is not, because hats are not very unique gift that I give to anyone. Instead of this, I can give a watch as well as some clothes that are special for anyone.
Okay. Okay, this is the end of part 1. Now for the part 2. It is your QCA topic. And you have 1 minute to prepare this topic. After that, you have to speak for 2 minutes on this topic. Okay, the time is over. Please start.
Well, happiness is a medicine for any sickness, and here I would like to talk about the time when I noticed a group of people smiling. I vividly remember when I was studying 10th standard. On that time, my cousin brother came back from Canada to India, and I was very glad. And on that time, my parents decided her ceremony with my best friend, and he was very happy on that time. But unfortunately, he forget his to buying his clothes on the day of ceremony, and on that time we were very worried about for him. And immediately I called to my friend who is working in a market, and on that time I said to him that I immediately want some clothes for my brother for ceremony. On that time he was coming, and the guests and my as well as my friends are coming at my home, and they saw my brother without wearing special clothes for his ceremony, and they are gossiping with each other and make my brother joke. And on that time I was very angry on them, but ultimately my friend is coming, and a friend was coming, and he gave me the pack of clothes, and I gave to my brother, and he was very happy on that time. When my parents as well as my friends saw him when my parents as well as my friends saw him in a special clothes, and he is looked very handsome. On that time my parents as well as I'm very happy to see him, and we are gossiping a lot. On that time I was smiling a lot. Well, this is a situation when this is a bitter as well as sweet moment for me, because I was very worried as well as glad for my brother.
Let's move to the part 3 of your speaking. Okay, let's talk about smiling. What are the most common things that people smile on?
Well, there are various things that people are smiling on. First of all, if I talk about children are making each other jokes and having a lot of fun together, and they laugh. If I talk about adults, they are doing some pranks with their friends, and when they smiling a lot.
Do you think people who smile are more friendly?
Yes, they are very friendly. They are. I consider them a social butterfly, and they are very friendly by nature. And one of my friend is also a nature. He always smiling, and whenever I also share my sorrows and joys with her. And he always, whenever I'm in a problem, she always solve my problem.
Okay. Why do you think certain jobs require you to smile?
Well, because these jobs are very stressful as well as and put a burden on a particular person. So on that time, when the boss of the company gave the instructions to their employee that always smiling and do your work with the full of concentration.
Okay. Why do you think the smiling pose is so common in photographs?
Because people want to keep these photographs for a long time, so they are smiling in the photograph because they kept these photographs for a long time, and whenever they saw these photographs, they are recall their memories.
How do you feel when children smile?
Well, I feel very glad when I saw any children smiling, and
do you think a smile gives a good impression to another person?
Yes, of course. As I told you earlier, that smile is the best medicine for any stress. Whenever any person in a tension or stress, and then he saw any person is smiling, he is motivated and smile.
Do you think we should smile often?
Well, not because human nature do not always smile. We have various moments in a day. Sometimes we are sad, angry, as well as depressed. So we cannot often smile.
Okay, thank you so much. This is the end of our speaking. Thank you so much for your time.